100 English words that start with J. Listen and repeat for beginners.
Just in time, Myra.
Let me guess. Today's letter is J?
Bingo! We're jumping into 100 words that start with J.
So get ready to listen, repeat, and learn.
Speak the words with us and build your vocabulary.
Let's begin your journey with the letter J.
Listen and repeat.
Jacket,
Jacket,
jam,
jam,
January,
January,
Japan,
Japan,
jar,
jar,
jaw,
jaw,
jazz,
jazz,
jealous,
jealous,
jeep,
jeep,
jelly.
jelly. You're doing great so far.
Let's keep going. Jewel,
Jewel,
job,
job,
join,
join,
joke,
joke,
journey,
journey,
joy,
joy,
judge,
judge,
juice,
juice,
jump,
jump,
jungle.
jungle.
Amazing energy.
Say each word clearly and confidently.
Junior,
Junior,
just,
just,
justice,
justice,
juggle,
juggle,
journal,
journal,
joyful,
joyful,
jolly,
jolly,
joint,
joint,
journeying,
journeying,
juicy.
juicy. You're learning fast.
Let's keep moving forward. Jacketed,
Jacketed,
jail,
jail,
jackpot,
jackpot,
jawline,
jawline,
jazzed,
jazzed,
jeer,
jeer,
jellyfish,
jellyfish,
jet,
jet,
jewelry,
jewelry,
jingle.
jingle.
You're over halfway there.
You're doing an awesome job.
Journalist,
Journalist,
journalism,
journalism,
journeyed,
journeyed,
joyride,
joyride,
judgment,
judgment,
judicial,
judicial,
jumpy,
jumpy,
junction,
junction,
jury,
jury,
justify.
justify.
You're doing amazing, superstar.
Only 20 words left. Let's go.
Jot,
Jot,
jubilee,
jubilee,
jerk,
jerk,
journalistic,
journalistic,
jack,
jack,
jay,
jay,
jigsaw,
jigsaw,
joke book,
joke book,
jog,
jog,
jogging.
jogging.
Final 10 words coming up.
Stay focused. You're nearly there.
Joyous,
Joyous,
jeopardy,
jeopardy,
jelly bean,
jelly bean,
jungle gym,
jungle gym,
junior high,
junior high,
jazz music,
jazz music,
jailer,
jailer,
jingle bell,
jingle bell,
jigsaw puzzle,
jigsaw puzzle,
juice box.
juice box. And that's 100 J words. Wow.
You really stuck with it. Great job.
Rewatch this video to speak better and better.
Repeat with us anytime you like.
Subscribe to English Podcast.
For daily fun and easy English learning.
You're growing.
And we're proud of you.